Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to purchase NFL Sunday tickets on YouTube TV. Right, so how you can do this, so how you can buy NFL Sunday tickets, right? It's really easy. The first is the official website, which is NFL. The second is a Ticketmaster. So we'll just go and explore one by one. Here in the Ticketmaster we can buy here. So these are the teams. So for example, I want to go for Houston, Texas. Here I will click on find tickets, right? And here it will show me the tickets here from on which match I can just book for it. So let's say I just want to book for the October 6th, right? That is a okay. So here it is. It will load and you have to wait for a few seconds here. What you need to know, okay, so I agree here. Now we can select the seat where I want to go, and these are some of the good seats here. You will get the price and everything. Here you can change the dates for which date or which team you want to purchase. So let's I will just go for the 11 one, and here in the 11 one I can just go and buy, right? So here are the seats and everything, kind of, the dotted red color, I mean pink color, it means it has been booked. So I can just go and book the front one too. Now this is a legend available, so you can see here a verified resale here, unavailable. Okay, and this is available. So I think I don't have any available seat here. Let's go here. Okay, so here it is, and there's a one seat available right now. So I can just go and buy here. So let's say verified resale ticket. If you don't get any available option, you can just go buy the resale ticket. The price is expensive. That is around 272 tickets, and I can just go and click on next, and I can confirm my availability here, and then I can buy that ticket, right? So this is really interesting. Okay, so here this is checkout. If I pay for it, I have to make an account and I have to pay for it, and I can buy the tickets. This is NFL. This is the official website here. So let's say I will just go, and where is the Texas, man? I'm just trying to find the Texas. Okay, so let's go for the Denver here and let it load. So I'm getting this kind of information here. I don't know, this is a regular season ticket terms. I think, okay, I just opened the ticket terms and everything, right? So let's just go buy a ticket option here. I don't know, I'm not able to find this option here. Okay, this is just for the ticket. Okay, this is a games, this is schedule. It's fine, and this is a ticket option. So let's just go back here, and you go to the games, go to the ticket option, and we're back to the ticket master. So basically we can only buy any kind of tickets from the ticket master for any of the NFL games. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.